kodwa ngisekuthenini awumane uthole umuntu notamsita
I am
lapho kulelo
saying find
point
someone whom you can help where you are
ngingafuni
staying.
kusitwa ngaso sonke isikhathi angibe nje asengive lokuthi yade make bhembe ngakusita ngani hayi ngoba ngumbona uhlala Jackson Sango angimsukele nje angisukele noma ngangibani ngisidalelwe ukuthi sibe sibusiso kulabanye abantu.
We are meant to be a blessing to other people.
Ruth wabamba ilayini lengiyo bazalwane wahamba waze wefika ku destiny yakhe yekubeni inkosatana inkosikade yenjinga leyatiwako injinga lehlonishwako injinga yetinjinga watsinga lokagcinga sekunguye lesekabeka bo supervisor
until she was overseeing all supervisors.
Kulete kwentiwe yonke invente anginandzaba angilanzi lenzaba kodwa ngibuka le line la ibambila sesingenene elayinini lengiyo bazalwane asesibambeni iline singakhishwa dizathu leti ngenamsebenzi donke tintfo kulamalanga tibuke kungathi tiyabhora
everything these days seems boring.
Nako konke nje kuyabhora akutholakali bathe uyahlanganisa kuhlangana
what's happening.
Nanekuhlupheka ufika la uyekela wangathi yathi ngihlupheka ngithi imali yegibela musi angeke ngiye ngoba noma ngathi ngithi angeke bangive lesikhathi lesiphila kiso
bazalwane. This is the time we are living.
Ngiyacela ukuthi uNkulunkulu asisite bazalwane.
I pray that God helps us
simane sihlale
ekuhlaleni
kuye kunemusa
because there is
ekuhlaleni kwethu kuye kunemusa
because there is grace
kunemusa
there is grace
lelive lekilo live lemusa ungene ensimini lengiyona yona lensimi yaNkulunkulu lensimi yekukholwa
the field of faith
ngoba kuletinye tinsimi utafika udliwe ehlata
because in other fields you will be eaten by
cela sukumeni sitothandaza uyasondla uJesu sigcina umalusi siyama